Data Quality Helper is a Salesforce app from Passage Technology that improves data quality. This solution overcomes the limitations of default Salesforce data quality tools by providing admins with enhanced capabilities to create customizable rules for data validation, duplicate record resolution, and data cleanup for storage and deletion management. With this app, admins can create rules for countless situations, whatever the business needs, from missing or minimum data to incorrect formats, naming conventions, or calculations, and to invalid, duplicate, unneeded, or stale records. These admin-created rules empower Salesforce users to improve data quality during their normal course of work. Get a streamlined and more productive data set with no special training and no time-consuming projects. Just better business data and better business results. Let's take a closer look at how this app works. Now let's look at the functionality for duplicate record rules and the resolution of dupe records. These rules can be created for any standard or custom object. You could create a new setting. Alternatively, you can see an admin has already created one rule for the company's org. Account records with matching names. The duplicate record rule is currently active. It allows for manually merging of data by the user instead of automatically merging data like default Salesforce functionality, and the rule runs before the save, not after. On this screen, the admin selected the criteria and logic for the rule. A unique feature of this duplicate rule functionality is the ability for the admin to choose either exact matches or assign a similarity percentage for objects. Two different records might have slight variations in the object's field values and still might potentially be duplicates. Once the admin has made the choices, click Save and the duplicate rule is created. Now let's look at this rule in practice and see what a user sees. When a new record is created, and it matches or is similar to another record, the user is notified and encouraged to assess the dupe potential and, if needed, to merge the data into an improved master record. This could be done now or addressed later. This is because the dupe warning will stay attached to this record until it is assessed and resolved one way or another as a true duplicate or not. In addition, the same set of circumstances applies to existing records. Upon opening this account, the dupe warning message is present, encouraging the resolution of the identified issues. The free version of Data Quality Helper allows for the configuration of one duplicate rule. The premium version allows for an unlimited number of rules. You can install Data Quality Helper for free at the Salesforce App Exchange. Learn more at passagetechnology.com and sign up for a demo. Don't delay. Bad data quality silently sabotages your business, and the damage compounds every day. Get Data Quality Helper today.